You are in Rwanda. Why did you come to Rwanda?
I needed a country that was structured and stable and constant electricity. I decided to come to Rwanda.
What were your expectations and the impressions you had when you landed?
I'm proud to say I came on Air Rwanda.
Ah, you came on Rwanda?
Yeah.
Okay.
I loved it, you know, and I was impressed with the service. Immigration was nice, very polite, and I loved the weather. The people were very easygoing.
What would be your message for anyone from Africa who is thinking of coming to Rwanda? What would you tell them?
You know, I would say come and first check it out. Go to RDB. They're there to help you. They will talk to you. They will channel you to the right people to talk to, and then make your decision on what you want to do. But it's a good place to invest your money